Hello guys, I hope you understood cost of debt capital. Today we are discussing cost of preference capital. Alright, and preference capital means the cost of preference capital here means you have to understand preference capital first, then you'll understand the cost on it. Alright, I'll just cut the things very short. Okay, try to understand. There are various sources through which company gets money. Okay, it is either through first is taking loan, okay, and which is called debt capital. Okay, second is your own capital or owner's capital, which is known as equity capital. All right, and the third one is preference share capital. Okay, so when you have issued shares, okay, and you say that we are giving preference as far as dividend payment is concerned, then you say that these shares are known as preference shares. All right, means these are the shares where when you are paying dividend, when you are making payment of dividend out of the earnings of the company, okay, first you pay to preference shares, okay, then whatever is left, okay, then you'll pay to equity shareholder, and people feel very happy because uh, they are getting dividend before the real owners. Okay, and many people invest in preference share capital. So what is the cost the company has to bear is out of the earnings they have to pay dividend. This is the cost. Okay, on preference share, what is the cost is the dividend which the company has to pay to the preference share capital. I hope this is clear. All right, now let's see how do we calculate the sums. Okay, the sums, the formula is quite simple. The dividend which you pay, D, okay, on top of the total investment which you are making, or you can just take the value, okay, the face value of the preference share here. Okay, and here P stands for preference share capital, means the value of the preference share capital. Is it okay? D stands for the dividend which you are paying. I'm talking from the company's point of view, I'm not talking from the investor's point of view. Is it okay? Because we are learning FM, financial management, as the company, as the business. Is it okay? Not as the investor. Remember that. All right, so basic formula is this. Okay, then sometimes we issue on discount and premium. In that case, if you have discount and premium, then you take net proceedings. I have already told you this net proceedings concept. Okay, so first formula is this, second formula is this. So basic formula is this, and then when things when premium is included or discount is included, then you have net proceedings. Is it okay? Then later on, okay, when you have different informations like redeemable preference shares, here we are talking about non-redeemable preference shares. Okay, then when people are saying that redeemable means you have to repay, these are not repaying. Okay, not to repay. Okay, which is also known as non-redeemable. Okay, here the formula changes when you have to repay. Okay, so try to understand not repayable or non-redeemable, these two formulas. Okay, but when you have to repay means there are values for repaying and when you are issuing. So two values will be there. One is you are receiving the money, another one is when you are giving out. On the basis of these two, you decide the cost of your preference share. Is it okay? Then another formula will come when you have to pay after taxation. Is it okay? So let's see this first. Okay, let's see this one first. So let's see this question number 5 is given. No? Question number 5, just read. So what are the informations given here? Okay, total number of shares is this. This is the dividend rate of dividend which you have to pay. This is the face value. Okay, face value. Then cost of issue. Remember, cost of issue or flotation cost. Okay, cost of issue or flotation cost you can take as it is same. Okay, what we have done previously. Now what we have to calculate is calculate cost of preference capital. This is what we have to do, and it is given at par, then premium 10%, discount at 5%. Okay, so in just one sum, if you do just one sum, this formula will be this simple sum, sorry, this simple sum, first one will be okay, and then we will do another sum where we will deal with this. Okay, we are discussing this one first. Okay, because we are talking about at par, then premium, then discount. Is it okay? And here nothing mentioned regarding repayment, so we are discussing this non-redeemable one. Okay, if they say repayable, then these two formula will not work. We have to deal with this formula, remember. Okay, this is redeemable, these two are non-redeemable. These two formulas please write on the first page of your copy. Okay, redeemable, whenever redeemable is there, this formula, non-redeemable, these two formula. All right, now let's solve the sum. First one, okay, take the formula. Okay, once you know that it is non-redeemable, okay, this is the formula, then you get the values. Okay, and then you calculate. So total value here is 10,000. Okay, number of shares is 1 lakh. Okay, so 10,000 into 1 lakh, I got the I got the preference share value. Okay, so total face value, this will give me total face value. Total face value, is it okay? And this will be the net proceedings for me. Total face value or net proceedings. I am clear with this. Okay, so I got this value. Okay, but we have a, okay, in place of number A at par, we know that there is a cost also. So cost of 2 rupees on 10,000 shares, 20,000. I hope this is also okay. Okay, how did I get this one? Okay, 10,000 shares into face value, I got this one. Okay, minus cost. Okay, cost is 2% into 100, so I got the cost of issue 20,000. I have to remove this. I hope this is clear. Okay, then dividend will be 10% of your net proceedings. Okay, so face value. Okay, remember always the face value. So face value will be 10,000 into rupees 100. Whatever you're getting, take the 10% of it. So that's how I got 1 lakh rupees. Is it okay? So how I'm getting this 1 lakh rupees? First you calculate this will be your face value. Okay, then 10% of it will be the dividend. Is it okay? So I got dividend, I got net proceedings into 100. Remember, because we have to get the answer in terms of percentage. Okay, so that's how I got this value. I hope this is clear. If it is not clear, please ask me. Okay, I'll explain once again. All right, now try to understand point number B. Point number B means it is at a premium. Okay, so here the formula says KP is equals to dividend by net proceeding. Okay, dividend will be same, 10%. Okay, 10% of 10% of face value. And how I am going to get the face value? I will get the face value using these two multiplied by this. Okay, I'll get the face value. And how will I get the dividend? It will be 10% of this value. Okay, 10% of this value. So first you get face value using these two. Okay, then you get the dividend value. Is it okay? I hope this is okay. So first one I'm clear. Okay, how I got 1 lakh rupees. I'm talking about point number B. All right, then according to the formula I need net proceedings. Now let's calculate net proceedings. So net proceedings will be, okay, formula says net proceedings will be, first of all, my face value, okay, plus if any premium, or minus if any discount. Is it okay? Minus any cost. Okay, cost on issue. So I have face value 10. Okay, that is 10 lakh rupees. And point number B, I'm talking about premium 10%. So 10% of this face value will be my premium, which I have calculated here, 1 lakh. Okay, and discount is not there here since premium, so no discount. I'm not talking about this. Then cost, and I have the cost of issue. Check cost of issue at the rate of 2 rupees. So 2 rupees into 10,000 shares. So I got 20,000 rupees. Okay, so I hope you are clear with net proceedings. So net proceedings is this. Is it okay? So once you get this value, then you can solve. First you solve this denominator, you'll get 10,80,000. Okay, numerator will be 1 lakh into 100, you'll get 9.26. I hope point number B is clear. Okay, now your homework is, since I have given you at par and premium, this is your homework. You have to do the same sum what I have done here, but in place of premium you have to use discount and 5%. Remember, discount is 5%. You have to do that. So in place of plus this amount, you have to calculate discount amount and you have to reduce. Okay, and remember, discount also will be on face value, and you can just rewind the video, you will know how to calculate face value. Okay, calculation of face value will be same and discount will be 5% of it, and this will always be there because there is a cost. I hope this is okay. So your work is, kindly solve this point number C. Okay, click a picture, make a PDF file and submit here. Thank you so much.